Hi there, welcome to our channel. So we have some new information about ROG Phone 5. Yes, that's what we are calling it, as a Chinese leaker shared an actual image of the phone which has a small number 05 written on the back. And also due to the tendency of Chinese and Taiwanese makers skipping the number 4, which is considered unlucky in their culture. ASUS also showed the teaser hinting at what could be a major design change on the front. But as per a video shared on Weibo, that doesn't seem to be the case. However, the bezel looks smaller this time around. The back of the phone also remains the same with slightly altered design compared to the outgoing ROG Phone 3. If we take a closer look at the alleged ROG Phone 5 leaked image, we see that the logo has been shifted to the bottom left and a wide white strip in the middle that is for LED coloring and shows incoming calls and maybe notification alerts. Gone is the air vent that has been a staple of the series from day one. The alleged phone can be seen with a 64-megapixel primary camera sensor in a triple lens arrangement. The camera system would be supported by quad-Bayer technology. The red button for activating game mode has also seemingly been relocated further down, where it might get in the way of the brand's much touted air triggers functionality. In addition to the image leak and the promo material, we have a listing on China's 3C certification website for what is believed to be the same ROG phone. The device bears ASUS i005DA model number and is listed with 65-watt fast charging support. It's tipped to pack a massive 6000 mAh battery just like its predecessor, and the phone will house a dual-cell battery to support fast charging technology. This device has also been benchmarked on Geekbench with the Snapdragon 888 chipset, 8 GB of RAM and Android 11. The display is said to be 6.6-inch Full HD Plus OLED panel. We are currently unaware about the high refresh rate, but soon that will be uncovered. There's also quad mic and stereo speakers on ROG 5. As for when it's gonna launch, the teaser poster shows the Aries constellation, which in astrology is associated with the time period between March and April. So expect the phone to launch in that time frame. So that is all for now. For more such videos, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.